Alright, so this is the video on how to do the systems of equations for a 3x3 when we have 3 variables. And really it comes down to making a good decision. Looking at this problem, I am going to get rid of the y's. Okay, I also could have gotten rid of the x's, but I'm going to go with the y's on this one. So I'm going to take the top two equations and I'm going to type them over again. So they are, oops, not ex, but 3x plus 2y minus 5z equals 2. And underneath that is going to be x minus y plus 2z equals 1. And I'm going to put parentheses around here and here. And I'm going to multiply by 2. And the reason I multiply by 2 here, keep everything lined up, is it will allow me to get rid of the y. So plus 2y minus 5z, we copy that top one over again, and now I'm at 2x minus 2y plus 4z equals 2. And now I'm going to combine my statements by adding them, and what works out very nicely here is the y's cancel. And now I'm left with 5x minus z equals 4. And I'm going to use that equation later on. And actually, we're going to make all this a little bit smaller so we can actually fit it on the page. There we go. Alright, so we have that there, and this here, and this here, and this is going to be here. So I put that down there. Okay. Don't need as long a line. There we go. Okay. So now I'm going to do x. Let's get us in the same font here. Okay, now I'm going to do x minus y plus 2z equals 1. And below that we have 2x minus 4y plus 3z equals a negative 3. Alright, and now I'm going to multiply the top. Alright, so here we're going to multiply by a negative 4 because I need to have an opposite sign in front of my y. So this becomes negative 4x plus 4y minus 8z equals negative 4, and then it's 2x minus 4y. Oops, it should not be equals there. It's minus, okay. Plus 3z equals a negative 3. Alright, now we're going to combine by adding, and we end up with negative 2x, the y's cancel, minus 5z equals a negative 7. And you can see quite clearly the y's just cancel. Alright, so now I'm going to take these two equations without their y's, so 5x minus z equals 4, and we literally create a new system. Negative 2x minus 5z equals negative 7. Keep things lined up. And I'm going to multiply the top by a negative 5. And what that's going to do is get me positive 5z, which will cancel out. And that's essentially what we're looking to do, is cancel out another variable. So we have negative 25x plus 5z equals negative 20. And then we have negative 2x minus 5z equals a negative 7. And when I combine my like terms, once again, I am able to eliminate another variable. The z is gone. And now I'm left with negative 27x equals negative 27. When we divide both sides by negative 27, my x equals 1. And now I need to find the rest of the problem. So plug my x back in. 5 times 1 minus z equals 4. 5 minus z equals 4. We subtract 5 on both sides, we get a negative 1. So z equals 1. And then we go to an original equation where I plug 1 in for x minus y plus 2 times 1 in for z equals 1. So 1 minus y plus 2 equals 1. 3 minus y equals 1. Negative y equals negative 2. And therefore y would equal 2. So my answer is going to be 1, 2, 1. And that is our answer. And that is how you do a 3 by 3 system.